Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own AI singer in minutes. So stop paying for session singers or struggling with your own vocals. Harness the power of AI to generate professional, realistic vocals effortlessly. So this is the ultimate tutorial for musician, producer, and content creators who want to use AI to generate vocal tracks. So in here, what you need to do, I'm going to use CapCut AI. What you need to do is just open CapCut on your PC or mobile. If you're using on PC like I do in here, you can just click on this AI dialog scene on the homepage. So you can see you can make the character in your photo talk, sing, or react. Click on this button right here. And now what you need to do next is just click on this option, talk or sing, and then upload your character photo. Click on this button, upload your photo. For example, I'm going to use this photo right here. This one, character is a woman. And now if you want to make it sing, you can click on add audio in here. But if you want to make your character only talk, you can add the script in here. Since I'm going to make it sing, I'm going to just click on add audio, then upload the audio files here. Click on open. So if your song is long, you can choose which part that you want to use, then tap on save. Here you can click on play again to preview the song, and after that here you can just click on generate. But this feature is pro features on CapCut, so you need to join CapCut Pro first. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.